give you. Next, what is immunity and what is disease? When will you know what is disease? We just spoke. Imbalance. Imbalance in what? Imbalance in your
Mm.
body?
Energy.
What
Energy.
energy?
Chi.
Hmm?
Chi. All the
Ah,
five bodies.
it's not chi. I'll tell you. I'll tell you what happened is it is chit. Chit
Chit.
Shakti, but it went to China and it became chi. Okay. So it's Chit Shakti. Chit Shakti. Yes, yes, Chit Shakti, which is nothing but life force energy. And
All the five bodies, auric bodies.
all the, yes, imbalance of the chakras, imbalance of the meridians, imbalance of the 8 vessels. If you are just healing your organs and not bothered about meridians and vessels, the healing is incomplete. Okay. When we are doing DNA activations of organs, remember, we are healing the energy counterpart organ in the pranic body, and that will reflect on the physical self. That is what we'll do. Remember, if you're doing any acupuncturists here, they will know these energy vessels and meridians.
Acupressure. Acupressure.
Who's yeah, Sunita ji is there. Rima ji, I think also, right? Yeah. Yes,
Acupuncturist.
yes. So now you know, right, Sunita ji? The 8
Yes.
vessels, the 8
Yes.
marvelous vessels they are called. So, and then the meridians. So you all know about the chakras and meridians and vessels. I will come to that. When we do those activations, I'll explain clearly. So the wholeness of the body, wholeness, if you're healing holistically, wholly means it is not just your physical organ. What will happen if you just superficially, suppose you have kidney issue, you're just healing your kidney, you heal that. After suppose you are sending reiki energy, you heal that, it's done, it's completed. After 2 3 months it will again reappear. Why is it happening? It is because the meridians and the vessels are not healed. It is because the chakras are not balanced. So we are going to take care of those meridians, the vessels, the 8 vessels, the Shiva Shakti vessel. Yin Yang vessel, I think they call it, Sunita ji, but I call it as Shiva Shakti vessel. Mhm. I like Indianizing
Yes.
everything. Yeah, yeah. So that's the thing. Now, cells. Now coming to cells. What is a disease? A disease is an imbalance in our system, we said. Okay. Now, when an imbalance happen in your system, your cells also misbehave, actually. Don't behave as they are expected. Isn't it? Isn't it? That comes out. But I have a question. Have you ever thought from the medical point of view, cells are dying and getting produced every day, every second? Thousands and lakhs of cells, millions, trillions of cells are dying in you. And then new cells are also birthing in you. So, if your disease is because of the misbehavior of the cells, then cells are dying, no? Then the new cells, why are they also misbehaving? Have you thought about it? Suppose, for example, someone got cancer. Okay, just I'm taking an example. And they got cancer of some organ. But then the cells are dying and birthing every day. Then why that cancer is not getting neutralized? Do you know? It is because the karma is stored in the cells. That's why that saying goes, Buddhi Karmanusarana. It is because the karma is stored. So you need to understand, karma is stored in your cells, in your chakras also. And that is only is called your DNA blueprint. That's what the doctors are saying. Why you only have sugar? You are born to the same parent. Your brother is not having sugar. Your brother is not having thyroid. Why you got thyroid? People say it is because of the genetics. Okay, why that genetic came only in you? Why that DNA information within the cell is placed only in your body? Why not in your brother's body? That is my question. Again, it is karma. So when we do the DNA activations, so basically there are some DNA activations for each and every organ of the body, and we need to say those activations 3 times out loud. Okay, whether you will say those activations with your closed eyes or with your open eyes, it's up to you. I personally do it with my closed eyes. I prefer that, as you know, I feel more connected to that way. So when we are doing those DNA activations, where is your DNA? DNA is in each and every cell of your body. So you are actually, suppose when you are doing the DNA activation, suppose related to your heart, for example, all the DNA blueprint information with regards to heart in all the cells